The matter wey tanda gidigba for Edo State today. Now the Libya returning matter. Our people them we go that side. We don't return to Edo State. The people we in they call the returnees. The plane we carry them come from Libya. It land for our side for Lagos gidigba for Muritala Mohammed Airport for 8:56 p.m. The happiness we suburb for these people body no be small. If you climb us for their belly, now so you go they do kichi, kichi, kichi. They begin to thank God say they use their eyes see Nigeria. Because their story now waiting in both people they call lost hope. They come begin they thank Edo State government, which you can for them attack on carry them bring come for house. Edo State Governor, His Excellency Governor Godwin Obaseki, he don't make back arrangements with the chairperson of Edo State Task Force for Human Trafficking, that Namjinka Omorugbe. Say as these people they land for Nigeria, may they carry them come for Edo State for better care and attention. Malam Suleiman Yakub, wey be the Southwest coordinator for NEMA, he can't give Sadan Kata to Edo State government. He said this na the 9th time where Edo State government don't come carry these people where they come from Libya, carry them come Edo State. He say he thank them, say they put this matter, they put am for mind. He said the Edo State government, he said they don't come still join hand with NGO wey be Action Gate, we get over 1,900 people to rehabilitate. That one na the people where they shape people, where they turn them back to normal people. People where we say, or what they call people where they in charge of psychological training. Mrs. Josephine Etaluku, that one come still talk say all these returnee, may they no lose hope. Say as they go Edo State, don't be say they won't go sit down. Say because as they go, the government don't get many plans for them. All these returnees come begin they happy. They say they thank God say they come back. Say because as they come, now opportunity may they replan their life. Many of them come begin they tell many Nigerians, say me they don't mind the people who say Libya good or road clear. They say na lie. They use them till they collect money. Say many things where the eye see for that side. No be small tori. Say if they begin they talk am, they no go finish for them. They come begin they share their experience with live media. Mr. Leo Obasuzwaye, that one come still narrating your experience where you see for that side.
I will tell our country people, especially the youth, I don't advise any of them may they try that route because so many things they happen, and I will let them know to make anybody not deceive them because they know they tell them the truth.
Now so Mr. Austin too, that one still talking on. He explained, he say all these people where they carry them go, he said that they call them burger. He say all these burger people them, now deceive they deceive them. Oh. He can't talk many tori. He explain give T live. He say waiting carry and go there. No be waiting you see.
I'll be suffering in Libya. So first of all, I gave one person money in Nigeria here in Benin. The person eat my money. So when I get to Libya, so the woman now combined with the burger, they sell me 2,005. That is Nigeria money, almost 300,000 now in Nigeria money. So the man now tell me. The man tell me say I go work with her, I go follow and work, so I go serve him for 9 months. Now I serve the man. I pay 1.4 million. I pay the man.
Now so we meet many people. The people will come back for this trip. Now 238 now come. We get 185 male. Then a man will come back. 38 female. 4 female we don't get belly. Even small pikin see follow. The one we never even pass 1 week. The one we never pass 1 month today. We come meet their mama. We carry this pikin them put for hand. Say may they begin they explain give us how this pikin take come. She not travel you won't travel. How pikin can't enter matter. We meet Sonia. We carry pikin for hand. She can't they explain for us for live media how the pikin they come. How she take get belly. How she take born am.
No. True. Now just friend for Libya. Yes. Nigeria. You don't cross.
Blessing. He said now she even still help some of them take born the pikin for inside prison. She can't explain wetin carry her go. How she take come back.
So I don't make her 5 women where I deliver for us for Libya. My name is Blessing Barry or Ngozi Wanchuku, anyone. Yes, all of us we did the same camp with your husband for the same camp. So the rest women, if they no hospital, nothing. say labour dey worry dem not say I mean dem look me say I mature pass dem. I get the experience. I no be nurse, I no be doctor, but God just give me that experience. I never do am before. For this that journey be say if you get your money, you no go ask wetin you wan go do. Na madam, if madam carry you, na go ask wetin you wan go do. Na go tell you wetin you wan go do. But if na your own money, the burger come, you give your burger money. Na burger you put it from motor to motor wey you take reach where you dey go.
Chairperson for Edo State Task Force for Human Trafficking, Yinka Omoregbe, tanda put for ground for the matter. She said the government don make plans for ground as they come from that side. Say no be say these people as they come from Libya na to come sit down for Edo State. He say e get many plans wey Edo State government don do. He say as they reach here, they do wetin they call biometrics. That one na information about who they be, how they take go, wetin carry them go, and the things wey they do before they go that side, and wetin they go want make the government do for them. He say all these ones, e go help Edo State government to do plans kpakpa wey go make all these things wey they want do for these people make for fast. She come talk say no be only to help them like that o, na im be the thing, but e get many other things wey tanda for ground. She come explain for live media the things wey the government wey wan do for these people.
Very comprehensive program for everybody. So first of all, when the people come, they go see task force. The task force is there at the airport to welcome them. Then the next go counsel them. People go ask them different questions about their life, about wetin they want to do later. And then after that, then go their different houses, apart from very few wey no get anywhere to go. Then after a time, we go come call them, make them come get the money where the governor don't approve for them. Everybody for the first 3 months, then go get an amount from the governor. At the same time, during that period, we go arrange some sort of training package for the person. That training, it depends on whatever the person wants to do. So if say a person wants to learn about agriculture, we will arrange training on agriculture. Somebody wants to learn about hairdressing, we will arrange training on hairdressing. It depends. So
now so we see the tori o. Other people still dey come from that side where Edo State government still dey make arrangements and plans make they for come Edo State. Make they know say if they tanda put for here, things wey dey suburb e dey for this our ground for here. No be say make they go that side, come go dey suffer. Na talk I dey talk this one. Na me come yarn the tori for una, and na till live media na im carry the tori land brekete for una ground.